Hey guys, it's your girl Naz. I'm going to show you how to create a nose ring out of thread. And when you create a nose ring out of thread, you can clean your nose real good. I'm using witch hazel right now to clean my nose inside and out. And after that, you need the needle, you need the thread, and then you need the scissors. So what I'm doing, I'm folding it in four. I make it four so it can be real thick when you put it inside the nose, the hole, so it can hold up, so it won't, get closed up again. So you put it in the needle, and then you stick the needle inside your nose and then the nose hole, and you pull it a little bit, and then you get the scissors and cut it. After you cut it, you pull it a little bit so it can be long enough for you to tie it down. So you tied it. Don't make it too tight, just make it a little bit loose so you can just play with it, so when you're cleaning your nose. So yeah, you cut the end, and then you push, like turn it until you get it tied inside the nose, and then boom.